Welcome to my channel. 192.168L0.1192.168.10.1 is an IP address to log in the admin panel to change Wi-Fi password, SSID, and default router settings at http://192.168.10.1. It is pre-assigned by router companies and Wi-Fi repeaters such as TP-Link, D-Link, PTCL, Aterm, Wavelink, Comfast, Totolink, Pixlink, as the default gateway address to access the admin panel of the router. Open a browser and type http://192.168.10.1. A login page will appear. Enter the login username and admin password. Default username, admin. Default password, admin or password, default username and password list. You will be logged in to the admin page of your router. Note: before logging in, make sure that you are connected to the internet network either wirelessly, through Wi-Fi, or using an Ethernet cable.